How's it going, everyone? So this video, we will be doing a hand grip workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So we will be using the 200 pounds today. We'll do about 5 sets, do 5 reps. Nice little workout. This is the workout that I was gonna do myself for today. So I figured I would film it and show you guys what's up. And yeah, with this video topic, it's going to be just my day-to-day kind of training with the hand grip. So hopefully you guys do enjoy that. But yeah, 5 reps. 1. My hands are super greasy from putting hair gel on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very slippery. So yeah. I put hair gel on and then I put some cologne on my hand and then I wiped it on. And yeah, we'll take 40 to 50 second rest periods too. I do recommend training both arms. Just for this video, I'm just gonna be training my right arm. But then what I do in the video is over is then I train my left arm. I just don't film it because I don't want the video to be that long. I only want it to be a 5-minute video, but at the same time, I want to get 5 sets in. It's New Year's Eve. This video is being filmed on December 31st, my friends. So again, it might be uploaded January 27th, I believe. But yeah, it's made December 31st, so New Year's Eve. Just got home from work, had something to eat, had a shower, did my hair, put some cologne on, got changed. Now we're making some vids. Let's do another 5 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy peasy. But yeah, pretty good time to start doing this. Yeah, just gonna keep doing it. Hopefully I'm done making my vids by 5:30. I'd like to do it till 6:30. It is New Year's Eve. I'd like to get 3 hours of YouTube in, but my wife may have other plans for me. So we'll see how long I can make vids for. I'd like to make 9 vids today. That would be pretty sweet. But I don't know with all the New Year's Eve stuff that's going down. And tomorrow's the 1st, January 1st. Woo! Got a lot of big goals for 2020, so I want to smash them, and I want to do good in 2020. 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're just slipping out of my hands. Like it's so tough to do these right now, but we're still getting them in. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video topic of me doing hand grip training. I feel like on my channel, that's one of the very popular topic. So hopefully you guys continue to like my hand grip training and it'll only keep progressing and we'll do more, we'll do different stuff. I need to finally go and get the 250s and 300, but I really procrastinate with stuff like that. So eventually I will get them. And yeah, this is just kind of my day-to-day training for hand grip training. Some of the workouts may be repeat, but again, it's my day-to-day training. So not every new video is gonna be a brand new or different content. It might be the same just because my workouts are gonna be different, but they're not always going to be different. 1, 2, 5. And you can see this just keeps slipping, but that's okay. But yeah. Got one more set left, then we're done. Then I got a vein video to make. Excuse me. But yeah, first video of the day, always the toughest video to make in my opinion. If you can just do that first video, it'll carry you through to the next 8 or 9 videos, but the hardest one is to make the first one. Okay, let's do another 5 reps, then we're done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy peasy. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram at DylanBurke999. Thanks.